Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to recover survivor.io account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and recover survivor.io account. So if your account was linked to Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can install the survivor.io and make sure you're signed in with the same Google, Apple, or Facebook account, or just your email. How you can do it? Well, basically, let's say you had another phone and you had your email linked on that phone in this game, of course. Now you want to recover that survivor.io account, or you want to go on that other device with the same account. Go to the top left corner, click on these three dots. Here we have settings, mail, and announcements. Click on settings. Now here we have general and account. Click on account in the bottom right corner. When you click on account, there you will have the, as you can see, related accounts. And as you can see, my account is linked via email. That's what you also need to go and do. Just click on there, and that's basically that. Put in the same email which you had on the other one, and it will be recovered, and you can go and start using it however you want. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.